Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope all of you guys are okay. My name is Cowell and welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm gonna show you how you can expand the memory of your phone using USB on the go, or OTG for short. This technology has been around since 2001 and it's very common for Android mobile phones basically. And since I am a Samsung phone user, I have been aware of this technology since then, and this technology has been very useful for me. So what does USB on the go mean? So it means that mobile phones can act as USB host to other devices such as your mouse or your keyboard or your camera. So you can attach those USB devices to your phone without needing the use of a computer or a laptop basically. So how do you use that one? So I have two USBs. That one. Excuse my fingers. So that one connects to your computer if you need to connect to your computer. And then it slides like that. And then that one connects to your phone, this connection. So this one has a micro USB. So I've been using this before for my Samsung S7 Edge before, so to expand my memory of my phone. So this has been very useful because you can store movies. Basically you just use this as your normal USB, but at the same time you can transfer your photos, music and videos, or in my case animes, and a lot of videos and photos and yeah, stuff like that when I go on holiday. Because the last thing or I want to bring with me when I'm on holiday is a computer or a laptop, and the last thing on my mind that I want to happen is me running out of memory on my phone, because that means that I cannot take any more photos or any videos during my travels. So this is also very useful when I'm on the airport, because like I've said, you can use this as your usual USB. So you can put movies or series in here quite easily. As you can see, that's 128 gig. So I just plug this in my tab on my tablet, then I can watch those series or movies in my phone without having the need to transfer everything on my phone at the airport. It means that I don't have to run out of memory, and then once I finish watching those, I can just delete them. Also, once I basically finish taking photos for the day during holiday, I can just after uploading them or editing them, I can just transfer them directly to this USB, like plug this straight into my phone. If it focuses on this thing, the small device, I can just plug this device directly to my phone, and then that frees up more memory for my phone, so I can take more photos and videos the next day. This is also very useful in the hotel. So if the TV is a smart TV, usually they have like a USB plug-in at the back, so I can play all the videos and the music, or I can do a slideshow of the holiday photos that I've taken in our TV in our hotel. So I don't have to put a lot of series and videos or movies on my tab, and also that consumes a lot of memory and makes everything very slow. So once I've finished that, I can just put everything in here. I can watch the movies in the hotel television to make it more easier. But sometimes it doesn't work because some of the TVs in the hotels are very old. So I can just plug this in my tab, and then I can watch it from there. So yeah, that's how I expand the memory of my phone using USBs. But you have to be aware of the limitations of how much memory can your phone support, because different phones support different maximum amount of memory basically. So I think for my Samsung Edge before, it can support up to, I'm not sure, up to 128 gig, like this one. focusing. Yeah, or you can, I have another one. This is the one I'm using currently right now for my Samsung 20 Plus. So it's also a USB 3. USB 3 is very good when you want to transfer large amount of files, because it means that the transfer speed is very fast. So you don't have to wait when you have to transfer like a big amount of data from your phone to the USB, or from the USB to your phone, or from the USB to your computer, or vice versa. And also this comes in a USB-C adapter, as you can see, because S20 supports the new USB-C plugin to charge as well. So I use this for my phone. I'll show you. You just plug this to your phone, the USB, and then click on My Files, and then it's there. It's 235 because some of the files for that USB is gonna be for the system files. So as you can see, I have my internal memory, which is 128 gig, my SD card, which is also 128 gig, but obviously they're using that some of that memory for system files, and my USB, which is 235 out of 256 gig, because that's also used for system files, some of that memory. So this phone can actually hold, or can support up to 512 gig of memory or USB, or up to 1 terabyte, something like that. But that means it's very expensive, the USB, so I'll stick with the 256 gig. So you just open. As you can see, I have my series that I can watch on the bus or on the plane, the uploads, which are my YouTube videos that I have uploaded, my series that I'm currently watching, our travel pictures is there as well, as you can see, and my uni documents is there as well, and my Mendeley, the one I'm using for my uni for references, uni stuff as well, for some references. And yeah, so these are the contents of the USB that I'm using at the moment. So as you can see, there's a lot of things that you can put, and it's very useful, especially if you have very limited memory. As you can see, my phone has internal storage of 128 gig, but it's almost very full. It's almost full already, considering I have like the other memory card inserted already. So because of that, I don't really want my phone to be full up of a lot of series or videos that I'm watching. I know that I can always delete them, but you know, sometimes I just like to rewatch them, so I just leave them there. And then some of the series that I don't really want to clog up my phone, I just leave them in the USB, because I know that I can always easily watch it from them. Okay, that's it. And that's the end of this video. So that's how I expand the memory of my phone when I'm on holiday, so that I don't run out of space for photos and videos, and also to keep me occupied at the airport or on the plane, so that I can have choices of the series that I want to watch or the movies that I want to watch, not just on the plane but also on our hotels, if I can watch the videos and the series on the hotel television as well. So if you find this video interesting, or if you have any other comments or ideas, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up or the like button, and please leave a comment down below of if you have any suggestion or what you think about this video, or if you know about this USB on the go already. And if you haven't yet, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Cowell_Chan, and on my Facebook page, which is Cowell_Travels. And if you haven't yet, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And once again, thank you for watching, and see you again next time. Bye!